guys, what's up? It is Matt with Remix Education. We are coming from the Hog House, the headquarters of Remix now, since life is a little bit crazy and we know that you guys are at home. You may be running around a little bit wild, trying to figure out some things to do to be able to stay safe but also have fun. But today, this video is about how to keep you guys safe. And so we checked in with the CDC because that's where the really smart people hang out, and they have studied these diseases really good, and they've given us some really good explanations. And so we want to just go over a few of those tips today to make sure that we can all stay. Whoa, jiggy. Now, wait. The first tip is actually social distancing, okay? So basically what social distancing means is you gotta be about 6 feet apart from other people, or maybe even 2 bumper balls. And if you don't have bumper balls, then just maybe imagine that you have a big bubble around you. Now, what that means is basically you probably can't be going out to the movies. You can't be going out to the parks, to the playgrounds, where there's gonna be a lot of other people, because the more we're around other people, the more the virus is gonna be able to spread. That probably means we gotta be at our homes a lot more often. But you can have a super awesome time at your house. So, first thing we can do is whenever possible, we want you guys to try to get outside, right? We're gonna have a lot of time inside, but get outside whenever you can. And we got some more ideas for you guys to do out here. Come check it out. All right, guys, so when we're at home, when we're outside, there's all kinds of things we can do. I don't know how many of you guys have a trampoline, but Jiggy loves jumping on the trampoline. He loves throwing flips. He loves getting a little bit crazy. But maybe you don't have a trampoline, but you can make up some backyard games. You can play catch, you can throw frisbee, throw football, throw baseball. Maybe make up some cheers, some dance moves. Maybe you guys even love to garden. Like Jiggy, he's trying to get into gardening, so I don't even know what he's doing down there, but whoa, Jiggy, whoa, Jiggy, what is it? Wait, what? This detergent? Oh, Jiggy, we gotta stay clean. That's the next thing we want to talk about, guys. It's super important that we wash our hands and we stay clean during this time. So let me go get cleaned up and we'll get back to this next tip, all right? You know what, guys? Jiggy had a great idea out there about staying clean. During this time when the virus is spreading, it's super important that we wash our hands, or maybe even use some hand sanitizer. So if you're out and about, you can just have that hand sanitizer with you, maybe in a backpack, or they make even little bottles to put in your pocket. Or you can just go with some soap. You know, if you're at home, get you a little bit, get it in between the hands, all around, and then just get the water going. And they say about 20 seconds is all you have to do. So you can just count it out, like 1, 2, 3, and it should just like start to come off, but I don't know what's going on here. Sometimes you might even have to switch it up to letters, where you just say A, B, C, D, and the soap should just, I don't know what is going on with some of this soap. I've even heard that you can sing happy birthday. Maybe even if you know Spanish, you can be like, Feliz cumpleaños. I don't know Spanish, but you know, if you're just like, hey, what is going on? Oh my goodness. And sometimes you got Jiggy, and he gives you all kinds of soap. But even after you wash your hands, guys, they say it's also super important that you try not to touch your hands to your face, or even Guys, we love having fun here at Remix. And Jiggy, he's the big goofball, but really at our heart, we care about you all. We care about others. And in this time, more than ever, it's important that we think about those that are at risk. The older generation, those that are already sick, they can really be compromised in this moment. So we need to figure out ways that we can be kind, that we can write them a letter, we can send them a note. We can figure out ways that we can just think positive, that we keep our mind in the right place. We look for those ways that we can work together, and really, we just figure out how to love others. In this time right now, a lot of things are being canceled, a lot of things are being postponed, but love never stops. So each day, look for those ways to get out there and just be love to other people. We're gonna be making some videos on Facebook and on YouTube, so we welcome you guys to check those out. But you do something at home too. We each can make a difference. So start today. Thanks, guys.